This is a trick you should share with your family. Massage the inner side of your foot, starting at the heel. Rub it slowly and thoroughly. Then move to the middle of the foot. Next, massage the area just below the toes. Finally, focus on the toes themselves, gently kneading them. This kind of massage helps release tension, supports healthy circulation, relaxes the whole body, and leaves you feeling light and refreshed after a long day. This self-massage can transform your knees. Start by massaging the knee with up and down movements to quickly reduce discomfort. Then add gentle side-to-side motions that strengthen the joint and improve its stability. Just 1 minute a day is enough to notice a real difference and feel greater freedom of movement. It's a simple and effective method you can do on your own at home. Do these exercises using only your feet. I even do them in the bathtub. The first exercise is rotating both feet in one direction and then in the other, 18 times each way. The second exercise is done 36 times. Rub one heel against the other. The third exercise is also repeated 36 times by moving your feet forward and backward. Next, work only with your toes, sliding them forward and backward, again 36 times. Make sure to repeat each movement carefully. Then rub one foot against the other, also 36 times. After that, gently tap one foot against the other for the same number of repetitions. The last exercise is using the big toe of one foot to rub the area on the other foot, right under and next to the big toe. Each of these movements improves circulation, strengthens the small muscles in your feet, and releases tension that often makes walking uncomfortable. With regular practice, your foot joints become more flexible and the whole foot works more efficiently. It's a routine you can do literally anywhere, even while taking a bath. Do these 4 moves before bed, and your body will thank you. You don't need any equipment. Do 20 reps of each exercise, just a few minutes that can completely change how you feel. Your lower back will relax after a long day of sitting. It's the perfect way to get your body ready for sleep. This is the key to stopping time for your body. Every morning, massage this spot, then slowly move your finger along the key. Just 100 times a day. You'll feel your body relax, your face regain freshness, and your energy stay with you all day. A small ritual that works like a secret to eternal youth.